Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we're continuing on with our beautiful soup. Gonna slash in, we need to dissect and look at some regular expressions. So I've tried to do this a couple times and it's just really clunky and blocky. So we're gonna drop in some regular expressions here and continue on. So if you're new here, thanks for joining us. This is what we do. We do micro videos, one subject at a time, and consecutive order, and usually doing one big larger task. Okay, so here we are in the midst of scraping the Yahoo News headlines, and we learned last video that their tags are an H3 heading or header, however you think about it. So now I've went ahead and just pulled out one of them, and as you can see, it's sitting here right between this H3, and we got a bunch, we got some class, and we have some other information, we have some sizing, we have some placement, and then, oh, here's the actual text of the headline. So I'm going to show you what I think is the easiest way, and then of course you can learn more, and we're going to just go from there. So we need to deduce a way to grab everything from this chevron, or I guess it's not a chevron if it does not have greater than sign and less than sign. So this is what this is where I started. So we're going to do title, and we need to really, we've done a little bit with regular expression, but I did stop because it is so hard to think of all the scenarios. So I just was going to wait until we came up with one. So we're going to have this. Now, here's our escape for our greater than. Boom, right here. Then we have now we need to deal with all of this right here. So we could just do W plus and then close this out and pass in headline. But you'll see very quickly that print title. You'll see very quickly that we have a problem. Oops. First we need to import RE. Alright, so I have pence and that. Okay, so now, that's right, I need to have this be greedy. So let's go about and go 0 through 9. Z through A, A through Z, lowercase, capital A through capital Z. Now we're going to have, oh shoot, this example does not have it. We'll add one in a minute. No, this is going to have a problem. Good. I like to do this. Okay. That's not exactly it, because we need to have greedy. Star. There we go. But now I have the problem of, that's right, I need a space. And then I'm going to show you how to handle possibly, here, let's throw in a comma right here, because that's a perfect example. So it hits the comma, stops. So now, basically what you're going to realize is you're going to need to add anytime you have a problem. Now we also then have the headline there, so you could go through and print this. But this is the building block of how to then parse and use regular expressions to go through the headline. And next video, we will put this all together and go through, because there are numerous ways to do this. I'm just showing you one that works, and we can use the tools that we have so far. So there we go, guys. as always, please drop any comments, questions, or any video requests down below. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we will see you guys next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.